Do you wonder where to start and which book should you read to improve your knowledge in ethical hacking? In this video, we'll introduce the best cybersecurity books to kickstart your journey into ethical hacking. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this video will guide you to enhance your skills and understanding. We will reveal a secret no one told you at the end of the video. Don't miss the mystery part. Our first recommendation is the Web Application Hacker's Handbook by David Stott and Marcus Pinto. The first author is a creator of Burp Suite and WebSec Academy. The second edition of the book was published in 2011 and provides a comprehensive guide on web application security. It covers various techniques and vulnerabilities, allowing you to understand how hackers exploit web applications. This book should be used as a fundamental resource. You should update your web application security knowledge via free online training provided by first author and founder of Portswigger. Our second recommendation is Social Engineering: The Science of Human Hacking by Christopher Hadnagy. The second edition of this book was published in 2018 and guides you into various social engineering tactics such as pretexting, phishing, and physical infiltration. Social engineering is a most successful attack technique that is used to exploit human psychology and manipulate individuals into revealing sensitive information. By understanding how social engineering works, you can better defend against this type of attacks and raise security awareness. The third book is Metasploit: The Penetration Tester's Guide by David Kennedy and others. The first edition of this book was published in 2011 and provides hands-on guidance on how to use Metasploit effectively from basic usage to advanced techniques. Metasploit is a powerful tool used by ethical hackers for penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. It's a must-have resource for anyone interested in offensive security. Our first recommendation is Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. The second edition of this book was published in 2008. This book takes a deep dive into the technical aspects for hacking and explores the fundamentals of programming, network protocols, and assembly language. It offers practical examples and exercises to strengthen your understanding of exploit development and reverse engineering. It is an excellent choice for those who want to grasp the inner working of hacking techniques. The fifth book is Defensive Security Handbook: Best Practices for Securing Infrastructure by Lee Bradstone and Amanda Berlin. The first version of the book was published in 2017 and offers a comprehensive guide to building robust and resilient defenses in the digital realm. You learn actionable strategies to protect assets, detect intrusions, and mitigate potential threats in this book. This book is suitable for IT professionals and cybersecurity enthusiasts who are seeking to build or enhance a robust security posture against evolving threats. Our last, not least, recommendation is Network Security Essential by William Stallings. The sixth edition of the book was published in 2016 and is an essential guide to network security. The book provides foundation principles and modern practices to ensure digital information security. You will learn key concepts of digital security, cryptographic tools, and the countermeasures, strategies, and technologies which are vital for safeguarding network infrastructures. It is an excellent choice for those who are keen to understand network security in a systematic approach. These were the list of the best cybersecurity books for ethical hackers I strongly recommend it to anyone in the cybersecurity field. However, As a cybersecurity expert working more than 15 years in diverse industries, I want to share a truth no one tells you. You would not become a cybersecurity expert or ethical hacker by just reading books. Books are helping you to build fundamental knowledge, but cybersecurity is a practical field, and you require tons of practices in your journey. Remember, cybersecurity is a journey of adapting and evolving defenses. Having fundamental knowledge is vital for grasping new technologies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.